In the heart of the 20th century, after centuries of turmoil and foreign interference, China stood at a crossroads. The once mighty Middle Kingdom, now a shadow of its former glory, was in dire need of transformation. The seeds of change were sown in the tumultuous years of the Chinese Civil War, as the nationalist government, struggling to maintain its grip on power, found itself on the brink of collapse. Meanwhile, Mao Zedong and the Communist Party, victorious in their long march, prepared to seize control. In 1949, Mao proclaimed the establishment of the People's Republic of China, marking the beginning of a new era. The Communists, with their revolutionary zeal, embarked on a path of rapid industrialization, aiming to modernize a nation reeling from decades of strife. The Great Leap Forward, a bold yet misguided attempt to surpass the West in just a few years, resulted in widespread famine and economic collapse. Yet, from the ashes of failure, China learned valuable lessons about the importance of pragmatism and economic reform. In 1978, Deng Xiaoping, a pragmatic leader, took the helm. He embraced economic liberalization, opening China's doors to foreign investment and technology. The policy shift, known as reform and opening up, set the stage for China's economic metamorphosis. Deng's vision was simple: let some get rich first, and eventually, all will benefit. Special economic zones were established, attracting multinational corporations seeking cheap labor and untapped markets. The 1980s and 1990s saw a surge in foreign investment, as China transformed its manufacturing sector into a global powerhouse. The country's exports skyrocketed, fueling economic growth and lifting millions out of poverty. By the turn of the millennium, China had become an economic powerhouse, challenging the dominance of the West. Its economy, once stagnant and impoverished, was now the second largest in the world, a testament to its resilience and determination. However, China's rise was not without controversy. Critics accused it of exploiting cheap labor, neglecting environmental concerns, and engaging in unfair trade practices. Yet, China continued to push forward, adapting and evolving to meet the challenges of the global economy. In the 21st century, China's economic trajectory remains uncertain. Yet, one thing is clear: the Middle Kingdom, once a mere shadow of its former self, has risen again, a global economic power to be reckoned with. This is the story of China's economic ascent, a testament to the indomitable spirit of a nation and its people.